I remember from last many months I have been procrastinating of taking this massive action. Do you want to know what that is? To appear for the challenge, which is synopsis of the book. The book which I have selected, about which I would be sharing synopsis for the next 21 days, is To Sell or To Be Sold. You must be wondering that what this chit is all about. This chit contains the main points or the notes which I have made after listening to the audio of that book. Now, that book is written by Uncle G, which is Grant Cardone. This book talks about sailing as a skill. In 2008, To Sell to Survive was the book which was written by Grant Cardone, and it became an immense hit. There were a lot of questions asked by the readers, and To Sell or To Be Sold answers a lot of questions. This book is completely on sailing skills, that how everyone across the planet is affected or needs it as a way of life. From the moment you wake up to the moment you sleep, either you are conveying some idea to the opposite person, or you are getting sold to their idea. So that is what this book tells you: to sell or to be sold. If you want to increase your self-esteem, if you want to convince someone on your idea, if you want to have a life which you desire, if you want to become rich, if you want to give a best life for your family, this book will help you to achieve that. Why this book is important for everyone? Why? The reason is it talks about the basic principle to become an expert or master, so that you can get the opposite person agree on your idea. And this is very important for your selling, for your success, for your family, for your self business and way in life. Let me give you a small example which I have found out when I implemented the learning of this book. It goes way back in 2018. I was working for a pharmaceutical company, and I decided that whichever customer I will meet, I will make a proposition. In a very simple word, I will have the agreement ready with me. And wherever I used to meet a customer, I used to sell my idea, my company details, and I used to give them the proposal. Okay, these are the product and these are the pricing and these are the best prices which I can offer. And when I did it on almost every customer I used to meet, I got success in one of the biggest hospital in India. It has a chain of hospital, and I got that entry within a span of 1 month. So when I was preparing the notes for this book, for the synopsis of the first chapter, I came across this success And I found out that yes, when you implement the learning of this book, you will get success. So this is a live example of how I have achieved. I would be sharing such more success every time whenever I will be sharing the synopsis of each chapter. So thank you so much for all the SAC family member who have been very successful in sharing the synopsis of the book. So this is my step and I have overcome the procrastination. With this, I take your permission to say bye for now until next time.